everyone, welcome back to EasyBuy. Today we are covering C language control statements with a quick MCQ to boost your skills. Test your knowledge. Pause the video if you need more time and see how many did you get right. Let's get started. Which keyword is used for decision making in C? Options are switch, if, else, and all of the above. Option D is correct. What is the output of this code? Options are no, yes, error, and nothing. Option B is correct. Since 5 is greater than 3, the if block execute and prints yes. Which loop execute at least once, even if the condition is false? Options are for, while, do while, and if. Option C is correct. The do while loop runs once before checking the condition. What is the output of the following? Options are 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, an infinite loop. Option A is correct. The loop prints values 0, 1, and 2. Which statement is used to exit a loop? Options are break, continue, return, and exit. Option A is correct. The break statement is used to terminate a loop early. Which loop is best when number of iteration is known? Options are while, for, do while, and switch. Option B is correct. The for loop is ideal when the number of iteration is known. What does the continue statement do? Options are exits the loop, skip rest of the loop and start next iteration, skips loop, and skips if statement. Option B is correct. Continue skips the current iteration and jump to the next. What is the purpose of the else if statement? Options are nested if, multiple decision, looping, and function. Option B is correct. Else if allows checking multiple conditions. How many times the code will run? Options are 4, 5, 6, and infinite. Option B is correct. It runs 5 times, 0 to 4. What is the output of this code? Options are hello, error, nothing, and infinite loop. Option C is correct. Since the condition is false initially, it prints nothing. Which is the correct syntax of a switch statement? Options are given below, and option A is correct. What is the output of the following? Options are 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 0. Option B is correct. The loop breaks when I is 3, so it prints 0, 1, 2. Which statement is used to jump to a label statement? Options are go to, break, jump, and skip. Option A is correct. The go to statement jumps to a labeled part of the code. What is the output of the following? Options are 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Option A is correct. It prints 1, 2, 3 as it starts at I is equals to 1. What is the output of this code? Options are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, and 2, 4, 6. Option B is correct. It prints 1, 3, 5 as I increments by 2. Can we use a switch with a char data type? Options are no, only for numbers, yes, only in C++. Option C is correct. Switch can be used with char as well as int data type in C. Which of the following is not a loop? Options are for, while, if, and do while. Option C is correct. If is a conditional statement, not a loop. Which keyword is used to terminate a function and return control? Options are break, return, continue, and exit. Option B is correct. The return keyword ends the function and returns control. What What is the output of the following? Options are equal, not equal, error, and none. Option A is correct. Condition is true, so it prints equal. What is wrong in this code? Options are syntax error, infinite loop, skips loop, prints nothing. Option B is correct. I minus minus never reaches 5. It runs infinitely. Which loop is preferred when condition needs to be checked first? Options are for, while, do while, and if. Option D is correct. While checks condition before executing. How many times this will print high? Options are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Option C is correct. The loop runs from 1 to 3, means 3 times. Which is a valid if statement? Options are given below. Option B is correct. Option D follows correct C syntax. Which control structure is used for multi-way branching? Options are if else, switch, and for. Option C is correct. The switch allows multi-way branching based on case values. What is the output of this code? Options are 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4, 5. Option B is correct. I starts at 0, gets incremented before printing. What is the output of the following? Options are 0, 1, 2, and infinite loop. Option C is correct. Do while runs once, increment I from 1 to 2. The default label in switch. Options are must be last, can appear anywhere, is optional, and both B and C. Option D is correct. The default label is optional and can be placed anywhere. What happens when no break is used in switch? Options are compilation error, only one case runs, fall through occurs, and switch ends. Option C is correct. Without break, control moves to the next case. It means fall through. Which of the following is an entry control loop? Options are while, do while, go to, and switch. Option A is correct. In while, condition is checked before executing the loop body. What is the output of this code? Options are 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, error, and 3, 4, 5. Option D is correct. This prints 0, 1, 2 as the loop condition is manually handled. How many did you get right? Comment below your scores and any questions you have. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will cover MCQs on function. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.